Hello everyone, welcome to Monaseasternkitchen, and today I'll be preparing Rohu Kalia. Rohu Kalia is a Bengali dish prepared by frying rohu fish pieces and cooking them in a spicy and rich gravy. Rohu or rui fish is a very tasty freshwater fish found in rivers in South Asia. For this dish, you can also use Katla in place of rohu. So, let's get started. First, let's begin by marinating the fish. Wash the fish and drain water. In a bowl, take the fish pieces and rub 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste on them. Toss them and properly coat the fish pieces with turmeric and salt. Then keep aside for 15 to 20 minutes before you fry them. Take a karai or a pan and turn on the heat. When the karai becomes hot, add enough mustard oil to shallow fry the fish. Smoke the oil and add the fish pieces. Now lower the flame to medium and fry the fish till it turns light brown or golden color on both sides. You can check if the fish pieces are cooked on the inside by inserting a fork at the thickest point and gently twisting. A well-cooked rohu fish meat will appear whitish in color and will lose its translucent or raw appearance. The fish pieces have started to turn light brown or golden in color, so remove it and take out on a paper towel and keep aside. Now fry the rest of the fish. In the same karai where you fried the fish, remove excess oil and keep 3 tablespoons of oil for preparing the gravy. Once the oil is heated, add 1-inch cinnamon stick, 3 green cardamom pods, 2 bay leaves, half teaspoon of cumin seeds and let it splutter. Then add half onion chopped and stir fry for a minute. Then add the onion paste and fry for 3 to 4 minutes or till the onion paste becomes pinkish brown in color. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger paste and cook till the raw smell of ginger disappears. Now add the tomato paste and mix it well. Add salt to taste, then give it a good mix and cover the pan with the lid and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. In a bowl, take 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2.5 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add little water and stir into a thick paste, and the paste should not be runny. Now add this masala paste to the pan and cook it till the oil oozes on the surface. Now lower the flame and add the beaten curd and cook for a minute. Then add around 2 to 3 cups of water and bring it to boil. Cook it on high flame till the water reduces to 2/3 level or till you get the desired consistency of gravy. Now add the slit green chilies and fish fry pieces and cook on high flame for 1 minute. Then turn off the heat and let the fish curry sit for 5 to 10 minutes before you serve them with plain rice or any pulao. If you enjoyed my video, then please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. And please follow me on Facebook page and Instagram. The links for both are given below in the description box.